In a continent long dominated by male leadership, one woman rose against the odds to make history. Her name was Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, a woman whose journey would take her from prison cells and exile to the highest office in Liberia. Liberia was once seen as a symbol of African independence. But by the late 20th century, it had become a nation torn apart by conflict. Years of civil war had destroyed the economy, shattered institutions, and left thousands dead. Fear, poverty, and instability ruled everyday life. It was in this broken nation that Ellen Johnson Sirleaf chose to stand up and speak out. Long before she became president, she was already known for her courage. She openly criticized corrupt governments and military regimes, even when it meant risking her freedom. At one point, she was imprisoned for opposing the leadership of Samuel Doe, but prison did not silence her. If anything, it made her voice stronger. As Liberia descended deeper into chaos during the civil wars, many fled or stayed silent. But Sirleaf continued to advocate for change. Even from exile, she believed that Liberia could rise again, but only with honest leadership, unity, and accountability. In 2005, history was made. After years of war and instability, Liberia held democratic elections. Against all odds, Ellen Johnson Sirleaf emerged victorious, becoming not just the president of Liberia, but Africa's first elected female president. It was a moment that inspired millions across the continent and beyond. But winning power was only the beginning. The real challenge was rebuilding a nation from ruins. Liberia's infrastructure was destroyed, corruption was widespread, and trust in government was almost non-existent. Sirleaf faced enormous pressure, but she moved forward with determination. She worked to stabilize the economy, attract international support, and rebuild schools, hospitals, and roads. She also pushed for debt relief, helping Liberia recover from years of financial collapse. Slowly, the country began to heal. It wasn't perfect, and her leadership faced criticism, but progress was undeniable. One of her greatest strengths was resilience. She led through challenges, including the deadly outbreak of Ebola virus disease, which tested Liberia's fragile healthcare system. Her government's response, alongside international support, helped contain the crisis and save lives. In 2011, her efforts were recognized globally when she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for her work in promoting peace, democracy, and women's rights. It was a powerful acknowledgement of her impact not just in Liberia, but across Africa. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf's presidency was not without controversy. Like many leaders, she faced criticism over certain decisions and political alliances, but her legacy remains significant. She proved that leadership is not defined by gender, but by courage, vision, and the ability to act when it matters most. Her story is more than politics. It is a story of persistence, sacrifice, and breaking barriers. From prison walls to presidential halls, she changed the narrative of leadership in Africa and opened doors for future generations of women. She didn't just lead a country, she made history. If you want more powerful African history stories like this, make sure you subscribe, follow, and stay tuned for the next one.